Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pancakes at home without milk. You'll be surprised how simple it is to create light and fluffy pancakes using just a few basic ingredients you likely already have. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delightful breakfast or brunch. We'll focus on a recipe that uses water as the liquid, making it accessible and delicious for everyone. First, let's get our batter ready. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give these a good whisk. Then, in a separate bowl, mix 1.5 cups of water, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir gently until just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are okay. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. Now for the fun part, cooking. Heat a non-stick frying pan or griddle over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the surface with a little oil or cooking spray. Once hot, pour about 1/3 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges begin to look set. Then, carefully flip each pancake and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until both sides are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious, milk-free pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include a generous drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of dairy-free whipped cream. Feel free to get creative with mix-ins like chocolate chips, blueberries, or a dash of cinnamon in the batter. These versatile pancakes are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a sweet dinner treat. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.